Hello.
Man, look at this. This is crazy, man. Isn't this crazy, man? 3 ugly cars next to each other. Wow.
2 of these run and 1 is blown. Which one is blown? I don't know.
Oh, I don't know. You're right, very fucked, dude. She's right, fuck.
Look at Ben's facial hair.
This is the longest I've ever grown it.
How many months?
This is like a month, I think.
Got a real Sylvia, 2 fake ones, and the ugly duckling right there, right on.
This is like
Is this the ugly duckling?
No, that's the ugly duckling.
Correct.
Oh yeah, I had a brief interception of big wheels on my car, and I was like, no.
Yeah, we almost lost you for a second there.
Yeah.
Right, Adam? We almost had to prepare the funeral. Oh, look who it is.
That beware of dog sign is very scary.
Let's go see.
All right.
Let's see what you got going on in here, then.
I don't know if it's actually gonna move or not.
Yeah, we're about to find out, eh?
Yeah.
Is that Nelson's trans?
Yeah.
With reverse?
The reverse.
Crazy, man. Then Skyline. Let's see, dude. Go for it. Crazy, man. Are these 14s?
15s.
Oh, these are the 15 ones you got.
Yeah. They were like resprayed completely black in the middle.
Oh, with the black face?
Yeah.
Did you just paint strip it?
Yeah.
And you're gonna polish it and make it look all clean? Are you gonna do full polish or are you gonna do black on the inside again?
I think I'll do black on the inside again. I don't know. I don't like polishing, it takes too long. This reminds me of 7-Eleven in Japan. Kind of.
Seems like something you guys have on them.
We're eating at breakfast together.
Oh yeah, that's true. Drinking some Boss coffee.
That was so
aggressive. Take this junk out. Stupid wheel, stupid wheel. Does it need to go up a bit more? There we go. And your spacks, bro.
Oh, why is the toe like so weird?
You gonna fucking drop from your chair?
Oh, that's pin
That's
specs,
it?
bro. That's all? That's all we get?
Just step straight on the bumper.
This is all?
You could do like way less camber now.
No more? I like the camera. Yeah, well I guess I can go like an inch wider than these.
Yeah.
Does it even look cool?
What do you think? You vibing with it or no?
I think without the wing it would look cooler.
Rip it off right now. Just quick fucking pull up.
Also might.
I think it needs a little more.
Can we put the other one on the front? Because this also just looks cooked with one.
Yeah.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, zoom.
What's a nabby? What? Maybe I can do this. No, that's like perfect. That's like perfect for the front. I think.
I think you could pull some camber.
Why is this fucking stripping on? Cut it out.
What do you think, Adam?
I think it's pretty fire. Me and Ben are talking to our guy Roselle at Watanabe or whatever the fuck his name is, and we're gonna order some watts.
What 2 years?
What? What 10?
What?
B.
What 2 and be.
But yeah, so this is the spec I'm gonna run in the front, and then I'm gonna get the next size up for the rear because these are tucking a bit, and
Is that an 8.5?
I'm not fucking with the tucking. These are 8.5, -6.
Are you going an inch bigger? So you're getting 9.5 in the rear?
9.5, -13. I think is the next. No, I'd go 9.
9.5, -13. It's the same size he sold to Quentin, isn't it?
I think so. But would 9.5, -13 be too wide? Because that would be an inch. No, that'd be perfect, right?
That would be like
an inch
a
more.
little bit more offset, and it would be wider.
So it'd probably be out to like there. That'd be too wide?
I think you just need a 9.
I think I'll go 9 and worst case run a slip-on spacer again.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm obviously keeping the Longchamps. It's just for fun, just to waste a bit of money, you know. Alright, comment below what you think of the watts. I'd obviously be keeping the Longchamps and just having the watts as like another pair so I can switch between them, switch it up, keep it fresh, you know. Also having wheels in a less aggressive spec is kind of cool. So yeah, let me know what you think. I don't really care what you think though because I can do it anyway because fuck you.
Fuck them, dude.
Yeah.
You tell them.
I'm telling like it is, Aisha.
Ooh, what's in the book, Ben?
Oh no.
Oh my fucking god.
Hello there. Jesus Christ.
The Joe Metz block. You can see all the detonation there.
Oh yeah, it'd probably have to be sleeved, eh?
Maybe sleeved, yeah, and it's even like it's deep. But it's all yours if you want it.
Fuck, man, maybe just for a lawn ornament? I don't know.
That's the plan. I was gonna make it into a table, and I was like,
Fuck, what if mine looks like this, man?
Probably.
Crazy, man.
you
Huh?
still have this in your car?
Yeah.
It smells so good.
I know, it's a squash. It's thin.
Oh, it's still potent.
Available soon at moistboys.co.
I had like a bag of apples from the grocery store, and I put them like where that was on the seat, and I like bit into an apple, and it tasted like chemically squash. I was like, it's still pretty good. I feel bad you guys give me all this free stuff.
What do you got? Ben's got, this is not the official packaging, but we got our light stickers available soon.
What
That's what we're calling them, eh? Light stickers? What do you think?
Light up stickers.
So it's got, we'll show you later, but it lights up just on all the time, or it'll flash. Goes into your cigarette lighter, 12-volt plug. It's got the 3M adhesive on it. Yes.
I've never seen this before.
It's crazy, man. Innovative new product.
Actually magic.
Seems magic.
Light up vinyls.
Peel off the 3M.
Just the red stuff. Little film. Yeah, there you go. Crazy, man. These are coming soon. We just gotta do some pictures and get the official packaging made for them, and then they'll be on the website.
And also you could just like wire this in, but it comes with 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. But if you wanted to like,
Just to power it around, dude, and it's got a switch on it already.
yeah, there's a switch on the little box. Switch it on, switch it to flash, and then you can switch it.
Like what I did is I tucked mine in here, and I just stuck the top one on the glass. Right there, dude. Have you got a bitch on there, guys?
Have you got a new hole? That was kind of fucked up. Take that out.
Plug it in. So that's the switch.
Oh, sweet.
One way is flash, and the other way is just
Well,
on.
there's on, off, flash.
Let's call it Pulse. It's called Pulse, bruh. It's on Netflix. Up and coming. Gonna be #1.
It was all a dream. Just to read Board Up magazine. Salt and pepper, heavy D up in the limousine.
I'll go for mine.
Should we turn off the lights for dramatic effect?
Yeah. Ooh.
Light up,
Now you can really see it. Lights. Oh, fire.
Light up, vinyl.
Crazy.
Alright, switch it.
So that's just lit up and then pulse mode. Crazy, man. So obviously you'll see this a lot better at night. That's why the lights are off. But yeah, pretty crazy, man.
That's awesome.
Alright, Adam, you're getting
Light up.
watts. Adam's getting watts. We showed you some product. Ben got hooked up with some new product. Pretty good stuff. Not bad. You got cool mods.
Yeah, thanks you guys.
No worries. Shut her down, dude.
Huh?
Shut her down.
Alright, comment below what you think about the watts. And comment anything else you want to say. We read them all. Sometimes you make us sad. Sometimes you make us happy. Like the video, please. Subscribe, because we're trying to hit 10 million K, but it's fucking slow, right? And stay tuned for more content.
Yeah.